How do PSVR games work on PS5 before PSVR2? Imagine stepping into a virtual world through a device that immerses you completely, but with a twist. This experience is made possible by a combination of hardware and software working seamlessly together. When PlayStation 5 was released, it introduced a new generation of gaming capabilities, yet it also maintained support for the original PlayStation virtual reality system, known as PlayStation Virtual Reality. Understanding how PlayStation Virtual Reality games operate on the PlayStation 5 before the arrival of the second generation of virtual reality hardware involves exploring several key components. Initially, PlayStation Virtual Reality games designed for the original PlayStation Virtual Reality headset were compatible with the PlayStation 5 through a process called backward compatibility. This means that the PlayStation 5 could run PlayStation 4 games, including those created for virtual reality, without requiring significant modifications. However, to use the original virtual reality headset on the PlayStation 5, players needed a special adapter for the PlayStation 5's internal video output port. This adapter was essential because the PlayStation 5's hardware architecture differed from the PlayStation 4, which meant that the original virtual reality headset's connection needed to be adapted to work properly. Once connected, the PlayStation 5 would recognize the virtual reality headset as an input device, and the system would launch compatible virtual reality games. These games were primarily designed to run at a specific resolution and frame rate suitable for the original headset, which had a display resolution of 1280 by 720 pixels per. The PlayStation 5's more powerful hardware allowed for improved performance in terms of loading times and graphical fidelity, but the virtual reality experience itself remained consistent with the original specifications. The virtual reality games themselves operated through a combination of the PlayStation 5's processing power and the virtual reality headset's sensors. The headset tracked head movements and position using built-in gyroscopes, accelerometers, and external cameras or sensors. The PlayStation 5 processed this data in real time to adjust the game visuals accordingly, creating an immersive experience. The controllers used in virtual reality also provided motion tracking, allowing players to interact with the virtual environment naturally. In summary, PlayStation 5 supported PlayStation virtual reality games by utilizing backward compatibility, requiring a special adapter for the original headset, and leveraging the console's enhanced hardware to deliver smoother and more visually appealing experiences. The core operation relied on the system's ability to process motion data from the headset and controllers, rendering the virtual environment in real time and maintaining the immersive quality that virtual reality offers.